central Illinois, southeastern Jackson County, Illinois, northern Williamson County, Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Carbondale, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the warned area include Carterville, Harron, Marion, Johnston City, West Frankfort, Cambria, Craneville, Energy, Pittsburgh, Culp, Freemansburg, Spillertown, and White Ash. This includes Interstate 57 between exits 53 and 65. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, and Williamson.